Hi everyone, today I'm opening my very last Scrawlr box. It's the one for December, and I'm excited to see what's in there. I decided to stop again my subscription because I don't think that the supplies that come with it bring me much. They're often student grade or stationery items, and I'd rather spend the money buying my own supplies rather than get something that doesn't really bring me much. So let's see what's in this one. Sometimes there are excellent supplies in it, so it's a hit or miss for me. So get the sticker, and you know what, let's just go straight to the print. Alright, so we have a print on black paper, maybe? Mirella Duta? It's very interesting. I like the colors for sure. And if it's done on black paper, they really stand out very well. Alright, let's see what we have in the box. Ooh, metallic pens by Faber-Castell. Nice. Gold and the silver. That's great, especially around the holidays if you make your own Christmas cards and all. Well, it's kind of too late now to make the Christmas cards, but that's usually what I use the metallic colors for. Oh, that's a pretty fine point. Then, what do we have here? Oh, I think that's the paper. Oh, cool. It's a paint-on pad, and it is black. Very nice. I've got a pad when I went to France a couple summers ago. I got a pad of white from Mixed Media. This seems pretty neat. Pretty thick too. 115 pounds. That's not bad at all. And it's mixed media as well. So that's pretty cool. There's 8 pages. That's really nice. Receiving 8 pages to work with the supplies. That's really nice for sure. Ooh, and now we have some Derwent pencils. But which one are they? Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Derwent metallic pencils. Ooh. I can't remember if I have any of these. But these probably would work great on the black paper. So we have a metallic theme going on here. Oh, and there's more. Oh, here's a little taffy of some sort. And what's that last thing? A little metallic ruler. That's really cute. That explains the print. I think more and more the print is really representative of what's in the box, which is nice. That's a really cute ruler. Anyway, I think that's all that's in the box. So let's see what the Scrawlrchallenge is. It's squared away. There you go. So I'll have to work with that little ruler and do something geometric. So that's it. The first thing I did was to try out the metallic markers on the black paper, and I must say they're really nice. They're very creamy and they spread really nicely. The card says that they are water soluble, so I tried them with water and they barely budged. So I don't think they really are. I tried on a piece of watercolor paper, a white one, and it worked, but I had to work it very hard. So then I tried the Faber-Castell metallic markers, and those are very pretty too. They're great because they don't have any pump. They don't have a little ball inside either, so you don't have to prep them at all. They're ready to use. And they're very shiny too. It says they're water resistant and they can write on quite a few different surfaces like metal and plastic and stuff like that. You could even decorate like a mug or something, put it in the oven and set the paint. So that's really cool. Next thing I wanted to do is check out my little set of metallic pencils. So they say basically the same thing on the barrel. I've got basically almost all the same colors according to the name of the color, but the number is different. So when I tried them side by side, they were not quite the same color. The ones that I have, they're called also Derwent Metallic. The ones that I already have, they're a little harder, but not by much. But those are very water soluble. They dilute a lot better than the ones that I get in this box. So the difference between the two, and I don't know if they don't make this set anymore. I'm not sure. I have to research it. But the difference between the old ones and the new ones are very creamy, very nice. And then the old ones are a little bit harder, but they dilute very nicely. For this month's challenge, which is squared away, I found this cool picture on the Sketchy app again. I use the Sketchy app a lot. And I decided to use this photo of a photographer taking a selfie, basically, from a reflective surface up on the ceiling. The floor is covered in tiles, and I thought, well, there you go. I've got my squares right there. So because those colors are very soft, they tend to smudge a lot. And I noticed when I was coloring the squares that the part of the paper that was still black had some smudges on it. But it was pretty easy to erase them anyway. The black paper has two sides, and one side is smoother than the other one. And halfway through my coloring the tiles, I thought that I should have used the smoother side, that it might have been much easier for me to use. But oh well, that was okay. Also, using only metallic colors, it's a bit hard to work on values, and I probably could have used the black of the paper to help me. It would have worked out, but for the subject that I choose, it was just too small on my paper to do that. So I cheated a little bit. I needed to add a little bit of black that I should have saved earlier. I didn't plan ahead very well. And so I used a fine liner to add a little bit of black. But all in all, it was fun to use those supplies. I felt a bit constrained because of the challenge, and I think I could have had a lot more fun. I'm not saying I didn't. And I really actually enjoyed this box. I think it's full of nice supplies. So I'm happy to end my Scrawlrbox subscription on a great note. Thank you all for stopping by. If you like this video, please give it a like. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to this channel. Have a wonderful day, everyone. I'll see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.
You